Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing well today. This is video number 1 of 3 for this week. I didn't post that much last week because I only posted the one edited video because there was a lot of things going on. I'm sorry for that, guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, we're here today, and we're here to discuss the latest feature on Blum. But before we jump right into it, guys, if you're seeing this video for the first time, you are just seeing this channel, thumbs up to you. Welcome to the community. Guys, please smash the subscribe button, help get us to the 10,000 subscriber mark. We're currently at 3,000 plus. We have loads and loads of content you would like to see. And yeah, that's that about that, guys. Let's jump right into it. So Blum has been up to a lot of wonderful things recently, and yeah, they've just launched their Memepad, and they've been discussing about the Memepad on their X channel for a while now. They have loads of things loaded for the Memepad, and we're going to analyze this Memepad and see how it works. So this is the Memepad page on the Telegram mini application, and if you're seeing this video and you have no idea what Blum is all about, check the videos, check the other videos we've made on Blum on this channel. We have 2 videos we've already made about Blum. There is one where I introduce what Blum is all about, and there's another video where I discuss their white paper and what they have in plan for their community, which Memepad is one of their features. So this is the Memepad on the Blum page. If you are not yet on Blum, guys, in the description below I have a link that will link you to Blum. Guys, click that link, register on Blum, and be part of what Blum is doing. I'm really big on what these guys have for us. So this is their Memepad page, and as you can see, it has loads of features and a lot of things are happening part time. So what exactly is a Memepad? Memepad is more or less like the launchpad that we normally have before. But what makes this a bit different is the name Memepad, because they've already identified with the fact that majority of the token that will be launched on this platform is just for meme projects, meme tokens. So Memepad is as good as your regular launch pads where you can create tokens. There are loads and loads of different launch pads. This is not something new, but yeah, I think this is a bit the first of these on the Telegram mini application. This is the first of the Memepad that I know that is launched on Telegram. So yeah, let's go into the features of their Memepad. They have the fresh page here where you see all the new tokens that have been launched part time on this platform. As you can see, there is a new one immediately before I even scroll up. So these are loads of different tokens that have been launched part time. And then we have the alt page that will show the biggest project that has been launched on the Blum Memepad. And one of the biggest one is the USACH, which is actually doing very, very well. It is being held by more than 3,000 people and has a market cap of $816,000 US, which is quite amazing. That's a lot of money there, guys. So this is the biggest meme on the Blum Memepad. So as you can see, you can buy, you can sell, you can check transactions of many of these tokens to see what is actually happening, and those that are buying and the amount they are spending. And as you can see, people are actually spending a lot of TON, because TON is the token that is being used, is the coin that is being used on the Blum Memepad. So you can buy. If you want to buy, you just buy with any amount of TON that you want to buy, and you can as well sell if you have any of this token that is on your page. So aside from this alt page, they also have the blooming page. The blooming page, I think, is a page where you see the tokens that are coming up that are doing well. They've not done as much as the hot ones, but they are also doing well. You will see this ring this green ring around them that is not yet filled up. But if you check the auth page, you see that majority of the token on this page, they have completed that green ring circle. But on the Blum page, you see that majority of the tokens on this Blum page have not yet completed that circle. And you can see that the SN Govik token is just about to complete the circle, and it currently has a market cap of 31,000 US dollars. Now on the Blum page, we show you the tokens that have already completed this circle that have bloomed. If you understand the English bloomed, as the case may be, they've already done well. We have tokens here that have a market cap of 822,000, 44,000, 3,000, 2,000, 15,000, and what have you. So these tokens are already bloomed. They've done well already. And then if you check the position, it's going to show you the number of tokens you've already bought. You can't see anything here because I have not bought any of these tokens. It will show you your positions and properly give you the details if they are doing well or they are not doing well. So that's all about their Memepad page. It's very straightforward and the features are not that cumbersome. But before we go, we are going to also try checking out how to actually launch a token on their Memepad. It's straightforward, it's not cumbersome. So all you need to do here is to click on the launch token. And let's say, for instance, if we want to launch a token for the Tech3 community, Tech3 Foundation community. So guys, if you also want me to do this, you can also drop a comment in the comment section, and I am definitely going to launch a token for this community that we can all hold and market, do a community marketing around. So here you can see that you need to set your token info. Let's say I'm going to use a regular image here of a flower, okay, and then I can call the token Tech3, and then the token ticker can be TTC3, while the description can just be community, crypto community. Let's say crypto community, and then we continue. And here they say you should personalize your token. Then we can add banner, we can add the Telegram channel that like we have it, and then we can also add X accounts, Instagram accounts, website, and also there is one thing here that is called NSFW. Let us know if a token is NSFW. NSFW means that not safe for work. We'll ask permission to display it. So yeah, I'm going to click this because it is not yet a token that I want to launch. So and then I'm going to continue this, and then you can see I can get my share by spending any amount of token, any amount of ton that I want to spend on this. I can spend as much as I want to buy my own share of a token. But since this is just a sample and I'm not going to be spending on that right now until you guys indicate in the comment section if you actually want me to do that, then I can go ahead and do that. But this is just a sample, and let's get over with it. Then I can just click on continue, and as you can see, we have a Tech3 Foundation token. Very easy and straightforward. And here you can see that it has a market cap of $2,000. It has a price of 0.000, and here you have it. And then available supply of 800 million. Yeah, this is going to be actually impressive. If you guys want us to do this, we can do it by indicating in the comment section that I should launch a token for Tech3 Foundation. Else, this is just a testing system. Then you can see that it's going to launch at 0.05 ton. That means each person is going to buy the token for 0.05 ton. So this is just how to create a new token on the Memepad. That is amazing. So guys, let me know what you think about this Memepad in the comment section. Have you bought any token on the Memepad? If you've bought token and they are doing well or they are not doing as much as you want, let us know in the comment section. Just tell us how your experience have been for the Blum Memepad. So yeah, this is an amazing approach, and thumbs up to the Blum team because they are doing exactly what they wrote in their white paper, and they are really on time. But I would have expected them to actually launch this after launching their token. It would have been really good if what we are spending here is the Blum token instead of the Ton coin. But well, it's also good, right? It's a good one for the Ton blockchain because, of course, if you go check out the Ton blockchain market cap right now, you see that it must be doing well because people are actually spending a whole lot of money on this. But at the same time, if they had launched this with their own token, it will have created a kind of use case for their Blum token, because majority of the projects on the Telegram mini application don't really have a use case for their token. But yeah, Blum is leading the way with this, and they're coming with something quite unique, which is the Memepad, and it's very straightforward as you can see it. But let me guys know what you think about this. They've not actually tell us when they will be launching their token. They've not distributed their airdrop, and they've not really taken any capture. But yeah, we are still playing their drop game. We are still following them, and I'm really impressed with what they have done so far. All right, guys, so that will be it on the new update for the Blum platform. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section, guys. And if you've watched this video this long, thumbs up to you. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible and help us get to the 10,000 max subscribers that we want to get to, guys. It will be really, really amazing. Yeah, big up yourself, guys. Big up yourself, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next episode.